Assalamu alaikum my dear students, welcome to NIVS Homeschool. I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, this is Rowshan Khandaker, your English teacher. Today I will take a English literature class for the students of class 2. Okay, so here this class is for half yearly exam for the class 2 students, English literature, lecture number 5, homework number 5. Our today's topic is from buzzword book, unit 3, reading done, make sentence and word meaning. This is my name, my number and today's date. Okay students, I hope you all have this book, buzzword book. This is your English literature book. Okay, and today we will read this unit, that is unit number 3, the hidden sun. So read with me. Open your book and start reading page number 24. Okay, so we have a black and white photocopy of this book, so and you have a colorful book, so I hope you will enjoy it too. Now the hidden sun. Here there is some picture of different animals. You can see here, right? A lot of colorful pictures is given in your book. Here the first one is a cat, second one is a dog, third one is horse, this is a donkey and elephant, crow, lion, a duck, a cow. These are pictures of some animals, okay, and birds too. And you have to hear, they have said that try to make sounds made by these animals and birds. So you can just try it at home to make sounds like these animals and birds. Here, long ago, the sun hid behind a hill and there was darkness everywhere. The deer could not see the tigers, the elephants bumped into trees, and rabbits hopped over the lions. Do you know what is hopping? Hopping is long jump. Okay, rabbits do the long jump. So hopped is jumping. There are confusion everywhere. The animals had a meeting to decide who would call out to the sun. Actually, there were darkness everywhere. There was no sun. Sun was hiding. That's why the animals had to decide that who will call out or who will call the sun out. Okay. So here the lion is saying, here in my photocopy, in my page, I cannot see it properly, the lion, but here the lion is saying, I will call out the sun. The lion decided to call out to the sun because he was the king of the forest. So the lion thought he was the king of the forest, that's why he will call out the sun. Okay, and the lion roared and called the sun. But the sun did not listen to the lion. How the lion called? Sun, sun, please don't run away from us. Come back and shine on us. But the sun did not listen to the lion. Here, the elephant called out the next. He raised his trunk and trumpeted. Do you know what is trumpeted? Trumpeted is the sound of elephant. Okay, trumpet is a sound of elephant. So he said, sun, sun, please come back. But the sun did not listen to the elephant too. Here a peacock, beautiful peacock danced and pleaded. And here pleaded means the sound of peacock. Okay, so here by making sound, the peacock is calling, sun, sun, please come back. But the sun refused to come out. One after the other, all the animals called out to the sun, but he did not listen to any of them. Okay, so all the animals actually called out sun, but he didn't hear it. Okay, the sun didn't hear it. Then finally a colorful rooster offered to call the sun. Everybody laughed. The rooster should be allowed to try. The lion is saying that the rooster should be allowed to try. That means everyone are allowed to try. The lion was a fair leader. That's why he was a very fair leader. That's why he actually gave the opportunity to the rooster. You know what is rooster? Rooster is a male cock. Okay. And the rooster stepped forward and gently crowed. Cuckoo, cuckoo. The sun peeped out from behind the hill to see who was calling. All the animals were surprised. So, for the calling of the rooster, the sun came out. So, that is our story about the hidden sun. And now we'll move on to our today's CW, which is word meaning from this unit and make sentence. Here the first one is boldly. The meaning of boldly is bravely. Number 2 is delighted. Delighted means very happy. Number 3 is refused. Refused means did not agree to do something. Number 4 is confusion, unable to understand something clearly. Now we have to move on to our next topic, which is make sentence. There are 4 words are given and you have to make 4 sentences out of these words. Here the first one is delight. The sentence is he was delighted to see the toy. Here the second one is refuse. The sun refused to come out. Number 3 is peep out. The sun peeped out from behind the hill. Number 4 is roar. The lion made a loud roar. Roar is a sound of lion. Okay. So here that is it for today. Today's homework is word meaning. Okay. Word meaning from this chapter is today's homework. This is your homework number 5. You have to submit it on Saturday. Okay students, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my class. Thank you for joining me and Allah Hafiz.